Finally, that's so I see am. Hey, my lawyer said you can't miss this court date. You can't miss it for any reason. I say, in my mind, I'm like, Oga, even if I am giving birth to, even if I am pushing the baby out, he said you can't miss it for any reason, because if you miss those courts, if you don't appear today, there will be a warrant for an arrest. I say, God forbid, it's not going to happen. They not arrest me. I was not I didn't have a brush with the law when I was very young, or much younger. It is not now, How bad? But anyways, what happened was nothing serious, but serious. I drove above the speed limit on a school zone. Was just carried away going, not like I was on a high speed, but again, school zone is a school zone. If you're supposed to be on 20 or 25 and you're doing 30, 35, yes, if the police, if the police catches you, you are in for it, which was what happened. I got pulled over. The lady, the police officer said, "Do you know that this is a school zone?" I said, "I know. I just got, my mind was just somewhere else, was just where I was going." But anyways, let me see your driver's license. I gave him. Let me see your insurance. I gave him everything he asked, and then he gave me a ticket. And the ticket, I saw the amount. I'm like, come on. So, the thing is, once you get pulled over, you get a ticket. You don't need to tell all these lawyers, all these attorneys all over, all these law firms. You will just start getting mails. You will just start getting mails. It's on record that you got a ticket and we can fight for you. Blah, blah, blah. Let us handle it for you. Blah, blah, blah. So this was months ago. And I was like, you know what? I would rather just go through an attorney and deal with it instead of just handling it myself, which was also, I employed the services of a lawyer, and he's been trying to get a date, and he finally got a date for today. This thing happened months ago. Finally got a date for today. It was like, you can't, in fact, if you see the rules, you have to appear. Rule number 1, you must appear responsible. You must dress looking responsible to come to court. At least make them take you serious, take your life serious. I say I'm a responsible person. You don't need to worry about that. So I am going to, and you have to get there on time, because they didn't even get a particular day, a particular time when your case will be called. But, you have to be there so that in case they call you, be there seated, and you do not jeopardize, anything. So that is where we are going, and hopefully, I trust God. I know I did what I wasn't supposed to do, but again, I ask for mercy. I want to park this here. I don't want anything right now. I don't want to be talking to a judge and I'll be like, sir, yes, sir. I beg, let me park it off my face, so that the judge can feel my face very well. Yeah, here, you don't joke with tickets, because if you don't handle it, it can just turn around, when you least expect to just proud itself, just raise its ugly face, and a lot of things that, can just go wrong. So, things like this, me, I don't joke with it at all. I don't joke with it. All these young people, it's nothing, and that thing can increase, if you don't pay, to keep increasing until they'll not declare a warrant on your arrest. And so any day, any time, any year, they pull you up for something different. That's another, they pull you up for something entirely different, and then they just, log your driver's license into the system. Bam, bam, it will just appear. There is already a warrant. A judge has already issued a warrant on this person, and they'll just pick you up from there. So just to avoid all those kind of, First of all, I call it inconveniences, embarrassment, waste of time, you know. Just do what you gotta do. And yeah, I think I look, George, George, I look presentable. My lawyer, I look presentable. Make I smell good too, right? You gotta smell good too. So you gotta look very responsible. This is one of my perfumes that I don't joke with. Now, so I look responsible a bit. So this is what I'ma do. Sometimes those cult houses, you gotta park somewhere and then you take a walk. So I don't know where I'm going. I've logged in the system. I checked the address. It says 28 minutes from here. So if I get there and I don't have to do a long walk, then I will wear this. But if I have to do a long walk, hello, General of Mommy Gio's shoe. And if I want to just be extra, I can just walk with this. And then when I get very close, women are, when I get very close to the place, to the premises or whatever, I can just change. But you know, that's how we plan to do it. So I'll use this one to walk. And then yeah, this one is like a slippers for me. But again, like I said, it depends. If the place is too far, if I have to go park somewhere, they have sometimes these courts, they have a place that you have to pay and park their parking lot, and then you take a walk to the court. So if it's like that, then, and it's a long walk, no, I won't, no. These days, I don't know, for some reason, I love my comfort. Before in those days, now we they do all those nyanga, all those shenanigans of, oh, high heels, the heel must be high, I must be reporting. No, these days, I love my comfort. I don't want anything to inconvenience me at all. As a matter of fact, Kate, put this thing in your car. Let me wear my slippers to my car. I'll wear socks because it's cold. And then when I get there, that is why it's good to your car is like your house. Just you go there. Women, you guys know what I'm talking about. I love this. Women, you guys know what I'm talking about. Your car, if you go to my car, everything is complete in my car. I don't want surprises. Everything is complete in my car. I have extra shoes there, have extra wig, I have have cream, I have what else. So I'm going to finish up. I'm just going to take this to the car. I'll take this to the car, and then depending on as the case may be, whatever I meet will determine what shoe I will wear, so we can look very, 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 very responsible. We can look, see where person they fear arrest. Yes, so I beg, we love our freedom. We are good citizens. We love our freedom. All right, let's go. I'll get you guys. I'll keep you guys posted. I know all will go well in Jesus' name. God of second chance, God of mercy has gone before me, and my mistakes, I acknowledge them, and I am sorry. Hello, let's go. I'll give you guys a feedback. Okay.